Hello friends, welcome to Gokul Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about now formula in Excel. Before jumping into video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. And playlist of previous 14 days formula and our live masterclass on introduction to macros is given in the description box. Please do support and share to your friends and watch it as well. Let's jump into our daily video. So this now function in Excel will help you to understand what is the current date and time. Means like now what is happening. Let's say for an example, if anyone asking what is happening now or what is the time now, then you will say time for now, right? And now means it will give you the date along with that time, right? So equal to the syntax will be the same, equal to now, and just open the bracket. Okay, before that you can see returns the current date and time formatted as a date and time format. So this will return you the value of current date and time. So currently what is the date? It's 20th March and 2023 and the time is 11:38 a.m. You will get the same in the result over here. Okay, and now you can format it accordingly how much ever you want. So now I'm just going to the home page and you can see this formatting option. Click here, and if you want to get only date, you can get the date, or if you want to go to long date, you can click on the long date and you can see it is changed into day, month and date, and as well as the year. So still if you want to customize, you can click on right, you can right click and you can go to format cells, and then you can change accordingly how which is the format you required. So this is how the now function works. Hope you have understood any this video. If you have any doubt, please do post your queries through comment box. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.